Let me ask you something. What happens in the silence before the world wakes up? Most people never find out because they're still in bed, chasing comfort, not greatness. But you're different, or at least you want to be. Waking up early isn't about winning the morning for some productivity hack. It's about doing the hard thing when no one's watching. It's about keeping a promise to yourself before the world demands anything from you. That moment when the alarm goes off and your body whispers, just 5 more minutes. That's your battle. That's where discipline begins. Transition. Am than him lang, hin an hangoi jung dai koi guong, an sang jiao tien chiu vao mat. The Stoics understood this long before Instagram motivators ever existed. Marcus Aurelius, emperor of Rome, wrote, "At dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I am rising to do the work of a human being." He didn't say, I'm rising for likes. He didn't say, I'm rising to feel good. He rose to fulfill a duty to himself, to life. That's the mindset. Because when you win the morning, you're not just ahead of others. You're ahead of your old self. The weaker version of you, the one that hits snooze, skips the workout, avoids the mirror, midpoint. Hin an chuan bi tap luyen, troi van kon mo swang. In the quiet of dawn, there's clarity. No texts, no emails, no noise, just you and your edge. Most people are ruled by comfort. But the disciplined, they're built in discomfort. So don't wake up for the sunrise. Wake up for the silence. Wake up for the version of you that refuses to stay soft. Wake up because the world is chaotic enough. And if you don't train your mind in the stillness, you'll break in the storm. Finale. Hin an matroi mok, buok chan bat jiao che. The truth. You won't always want to get up. You won't always feel strong. But wake up anyway. Not because it's easy, but because it's right. Because that quiet hour of sacrifice is where warriors are made. You don't rise to impress anyone. You rise to become someone you're proud of. Outro plus. Call to action. If this hit something in you, if it reminded you of who you were meant to be, then don't let it fade. Subscribe, not for the channel, but for the version of you that's done sleeping on your potential. Wake up early. Train in silence. Rise with purpose. The world doesn't need more noise. It needs more warriors. I'll see you in the next one. Strength is not built in public. It's built in early mornings, hard days, and quiet decisions. If that's your path, hit subscribe. Let's walk it together.